Assembly is a critical part of all manufacturing. Nearly every product requires a secure connection between two or more parts, be it welded, pinned, screwed, or pressed. From simple fits to intricate bolt patterns, proper fitment is vital to a functional final product. There are a number of common issues that often plague threaded fasteners within manufacturing settings. Chief among these are poor fastener part alignment and cross-threading. Both of these issues can ruin mating parts if left unchecked. Today, I'd like to take a minute to go over one of the most functional solutions to these issues, and that is a MAThread. Roll the intro. A MAThread is a specialized, never-jam, external screw thread type. Designed for adverse installation conditions or robotic or automated assembly, MAThreads preserve the alignment of the engaging thread form with its mating feature. MAThreads are unique among threads in that there is minimal engagement of the tooth form for the first segment of the fastener, and only after axial alignment has been achieved and the screw can be run true, does the full form of the thread engage. Come on back and let's have a look at how exactly that works. This minimal initial engagement is developed using two specialized advantages. First, a proprietary lead geometry. This makes use of large crest radii and a gradual taper to fully seat the thread's teeth within the opposing fastener. And second, a smaller diameter chamfered screw point to aid in locating the fastener. To better illustrate exactly what's going on, I have a quick little diagram here. Now, notice that the initial length of the fastener, unlike a traditional screw thread, is not threaded. You have a large segment here leading up to the first partial tooth form that is entirely unthreaded. This segment of the thread form is vital to the MAThread's aligning nature, where you can have two holes that are off-center, off-axis, off-true. And using these radii and the shallow feed chamfer on the nose of the fastener, it will align itself within the axes of those two holes to begin threading true. The second advantage of MAThread is after that initial alignment of the thread form, there is a specialized lead geometry which will gradually introduce the fastener into its mating part, and ensure that the alignment of the thread form is preserved to prevent cross-threading. This is achieved by large crest radii that slowly feed up into the full form, ensuring that as the teeth are set, they stack up true to the mating part. Additionally, notice that it is a rather shallow feed angle up across the crests of the teeth to the full form. This comparatively shallow feed angle additionally helps align the part. In short, the specialized self-aligning lead geometry allows MAThread fasteners to run true in most circumstances, preventing cross-threading or stripping from problematic installation challenges. Lastly, we'll have a look at what these advantages achieve in practice. Here, we have a fastener that is being driven off axes. Notice the central axes of the fastener and the central axes of the bore are off-center. When using a MAThread, this offset can be overcome. The fastener will introduce itself into the aperture of the mating part, align itself using the non-threaded segment at the beginning of the fastener, and then begin running true once the large crest radii initial teeth have fully seated themselves into the roots of the threads within the mating part. CJ Winter is an approved, licensed MAThread tooling supplier, specializing in cylindrical MAThread tooling. We are proud to supply radial, tangential, and machine dies, all with this specialty thread form. For more information on MAThread itself, please visit MAThread's website, linked in the description below. Or, for more information on thread rolls or thread rolling technology, visit us at www.cjwinter.com. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.